Yeah, guys, this is actually what I ordered for baby. Okay, it's called Perry Kiss. So we'll be unboxing it together. Do you like it? Yeah, I open it. Open it, Bubba. You like it? Yeah, let's open. Let's open. Yeah, let's open it. Okay. Let's see what's inside. Okay. You're not going to say. Let's see. Wait. It's yours. Oh wow. So this is it, guys. This is how they package this. Okay. Let's keep this aside. Oh wow. So guys, it's actually a brand. Okay. Wow, this is so good, guys. Okay, wash it for you. So this is it, guys. Okay. Wow, this is so lovely. It comes with cup. You can see with a spoon, 2 spoons, okay, and it's very soft. My God, wow, look at that, guys. It's very soft, okay, and it's with a straw. Wow, look at it, very nice. You like it? I know. Okay, this is it, guys. You just put it like this. Oh wow, this is, can you see that? Oh my God, that's so fun. And this is it, guys, with the name. Okay, you just hand. You like it? Going to hand it to baby neck, and that is it, guys. Wow, it's so fine. You like it too? Oh my God, yeah, it's for baby. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell, and when you post a video, you'll be the first person to know. See, guys, it's very affordable too. Okay, in case you want the link, let me know. Oh my God, this is good. I love it already. And this particular one, guys, I ordered this one separately. Okay, it's for baby too. Bring it home and wash it. Okay, this one is for baby. This one, and it came with this particular one because baby is already start teething. Okay, maybe it start teething, so it comes with this particular one. I will use to massage the feet. I have this one. Yeah, bring it, baby, bring it here. So this is it, guys. Oh yeah, bring it, baby. You like it? You like it? What?
You like it?
You like it, boo? You like it? Give mommy 5. Give mommy 5. Say yeah. Titi, you like it? You like it? Hey, you like it? Yeah. Yes, you like them. So I want to go and watch them, okay? Yeah, this is cool. I love it already. So this is it, guys. I want to go and watch it for baby, okay? I need to watch them well.